unboxing Alphonso mangoes.
Mangies. What are they?
Lots of them. We've got a whole box.
This has a double layer of mangoes. Not
Double?
This is what happens when you go to the Alphonso mango store.
Yes,
Come
it
back
does.
with a lot of mangoes.
You do, see ya. Like loads of it.
Yeah. This is just one layer.
Yeah, this is one layer that we
One
just
layer.
unpacked. Yeah, I think there's more than. Leo says it's 2 layers. I think it's like 3 or 4 actually.
Yeah, it's 3.
Three
Mangoes
layers.
are down
Three
there.
layers.
Okay, so this box has been sitting in the house for what, 6 days now, no?
Yeah.
Oh, good news! It's 3 layers.
3 layers.
Of
Good news.
mangoes.
It's good news.
Yeah.
You're right.
And I know they said we have to wait 10 days before we can eat them, but I think with driving for 3 hours in the car, where are you going, Liam?
And the heat.
In the heat of the car, and it's very hot and humid here in Goa. So I think these mangoes have definitely, oh that one, see, that's why you said that we could smell mangoes. So I think definitely it's not 10 days when you get a box of green mangoes, it's like 6 days. I said it will be shorter.
Layers at the bottom are more ripe.
Layers at the bottom is more ripe.
Just
Don't take out all the grass like that. Where are you going with the grass in my washing basket?
Yeah, no.
It's gonna mess.
one mess.
What mess? See what mess you're creating? We just have to clean the house anyway. But the mangoes are so hot when we open the box, eh?
Yeah.
It's like when you touch them, it's like they were in the oven hot. Not that hot, but there's definitely quite a bit of heat on them, no?
Yeah.
Hello, Pumina. And someone's joining us.
These are like, see?
Yeah, you can see they are.
We'll add another one to us.
1 second, Liam, don't just pull all of it out. See, there's some more green ones here.
So you can
Where did you put the green ones? Oh God, you just leave them in your wash.
yeah, this one just leave them in here and you can let them
Yeah, this one is.
You can just take
They're so
out.
nice and warm. Look at them, beautiful mangoes. When we got the box, all of them looked like this, green in color. These are literally from the tree, straight from the tree. So these weren't kept to.
No, these are not being.
These aren't artificially.
Artificially
It's not artificially ripened. Sorry, artificially ripened.
Here's the little one who wants to join us.
So I think on the side where all the grass is, there might be one that's past ripe. But look at this. Oh, lovely. And they are nice, eh?
Very
Liam,
sweet.
how does these mangoes taste?
Very sweet.
Very sweet. Oh, she's like, put me down, put me down, put me down. Yeah, we got a box. We firstly had a box like that, which we got, which was already ripened, and we could eat it straight. This box was to be kept.
It's all got in there, in the freezer.
Now we are making loads of mango milkshake and mango juice and stuff on there. That looks
Mangoes, look! Rain!
yeah, mango yogurt, mango shake, mango ice cream. Mango.
Rain!
Oh yeah, cool, eh?
It's great!
I thought this
this
would be
is
a.
great.
See this one?
Yeah, that's. The rest we have to make.
Wow, this is a very long one.
So these ones have to stay a little bit longer because they're not. It looks like eggs in a bird nest. Okay, so we've got all those
That's
mangoes.
the longest you know.
This bowl of mangoes behind Noel on the counter. All these ones and these ones that I have to make something with. What am I doing? I'm just gonna puree all of them and freeze them, right?
Yeah.
Because Liam loves it. Liam.
Yeah.
Because I freeze them and then he mixes it in with either yogurt or milk, and he makes mango milkshake. What are you doing? I'll pick up all the grass that you missed. Okay, so there's a couple in the box
This
there.
is the most dusted.
All of this,
This is one thing that I'm
And
getting
all of-
Alphonso.
not the medicines though. We just had flu.
We'll have enough grass to keep
All of these mangoes,
Hey!
all of these
I
mangoes,
got an idea!
all of these mangoes I have to go and puree now.
Yeah,
Which
I just.
machine should I use to puree?
I got it.
You've got a?
No, that's
Oh, mango lover.
You can smell. It's not sweet smell, so.
Ah, I took this off.
Yeah, no, this one doesn't have a full-on sweet smell yet. So he goes back in the box. Which one as well? This one's also going back in the box.
The ID that I want to
Put the
say.
eggs all back into the grass. You put them back so they can go and do their ripening process there. These ones as well.
Isn't this something I wanted to tell you?
I don't know when I can't take all of them. I've just got one hand.
idea. How do you attract birds so that they can make nests?
No, we don't want to have birds in the house to make nests.
You just leave this outside, let them just pick it up. Huh? Now why just do that rather?
You need to do a balancing act here and you have to put your hand on it. Okay, there. Okay, so we've taken out a few. We thought all of them were ripe, but they're not ripe yet.
They don't smell sweet, so rather
Not
just...
sweet yet. But we'll definitely want to.
There's no harm in, because we don't have space, so it's no harm in keeping them there for one more day.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So I'll puree them up in a second. And Liam is playing with grass.
It's great.
Okay, so I'm not gonna do all these now.
No, you just keep them, because
I thought we're gonna puree all of them now.
there's lots to puree, don't worry.
If you see, this is actually wheat.
Is it?
See, wheat. This is wheat.
Interesting.
Ah,
Yeah.
I broke it. Yeah, this is
breaking it?
Nintendo.
Go.
Hello, I got my Nintendo.
So what dishes do you all love to make with mangoes? Like yes. Put in the comments down below, like he said. And because he loves mango yogurt, homemade, plain yogurt, curd mixed with mango, or mango shake, mangoes with milk. And Liam, do you add anything in with the mango and the milk, or the mango and yogurt?
No,
Why?
it's just a whole lot of
Say again.
It's healthy without any other stuff.
It is healthy without all of that, no? Yeah. And anyways, the mangoes is already so sweet, you don't need anything else to add into it, right? What are you, reindeer? You're going to tease. Are you the bug that I just took out of the washing machine?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Closing up the box so they can settle in again. What are you going to do with all this glass now?
We're going to recycle it by giving it to the birds.
Are you going to give it to the birds?
Oh, rain! Moment.
Oh, wow.
This is what cowboys usually have. They
That's what cowboys usually have.
this.
Are you a cowboy?
Yeah, that's how they usually do. This is what you come in for birds.
Do it again? Oh, you dropped it. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Let's make some mango puree. No?
These are just
Yeah, I'll cut those pieces off.
Yeah, there you go.
Because this morning while we were moving the boxes, we realized that the mangoes were smelling quite strong. We had to check them, and luckily we did. Right? Because I think otherwise this one would have...
It's not bad, only 4 pieces,
Yeah.
but it's only a little bit, so...
It's not that much. No.
It's not actually
this
bad.
This one is like the worst I think from all of them.
Otherwise, this is just...
But like I was saying, if we would have left it for the full 10 days, then this definitely would have been a complete ball of mold. Is a coffee hot? I also want some.
So whenever you plan your trip to the mango zone,
I also want coffee.
whenever you plan your trip to the mango zone,
I've got another memory.
I got another memory. What is that?
Leaves again.
Leaves from where?
this is from Ratnagiri.
Mango leaves, aren't they?
Yeah, they're Ratnagiri.
Yeah, it
from
comes from the mango trees. What do you expect?
Yeah.
He's keeping his mango leaves. Yeah, we just cleaned the house. Sorry, the house is a bit of a, like, this mops.
So we did our unboxing of Alphonso mangoes.
There's a whole
Now
box
we'll
of
take
it.
a bit of a break and have some
Well, I'm not
coffee.
going to say the
Proper
name.
coffee, some Lavazza coffee.
Then we will start preparing our puree.
Yes.
Well, I'm not going to say the name of the guy who gave us.
No, we're not gonna do that.
It's a secret.
It's a
Top
secret.
secret.
It's a secret of who gave us the mangoes, right?
Oh yeah, you said you wanted to do that cowboy thing again.
You want to do the cowboy thing.
Might see bugs.
Yeah, I watched there's lots of bugs as well. I found one this morning as well.
How did you usually do?
Okay. See that?
Yeah.
They
It's
look
like-
like wheat, but
Just
actually.
don't wash the floor, then I have to wash it again. Okay, fine, I'll wash it again. Let me first have some coffee and then I'll do that. And Shira, you are going to be eating grass.
Yes, Sheila. Hello.
Maybe that's why she was by the box the whole time, because she could hear the critters in it. Nashira?
Good in pest detector.
Yeah, she is.
So some lovely mango puree after some cricket sessions.
Yes.
I played nice cricket.
So,
I think my bag's right
check the
there.
link of his channel.
There. It's a bag of
Check,
cricket.
check Liam's channel link.
Yeah, I'll put it down in the description.
As Liam loves to have his healthy snack of mango and yogurt after cricket's training session. That's his go-to post-training snack.
Yeah, it is. Because he trains for what, like 1.5 hours every morning now?
He trains around 6 hours a day.
Yeah, I'm talking in the morning when he goes. What are you doing with the... Okay, so we're going to go and puree in a second. I'm just going to have some coffee first.
Bye. Happy mango.
Happy mango.
Like button, subscribe. It doesn't cost you.
It doesn't
And
cost
support us.
Absolutely. Okay. Bye. Bye, Shira. We'll see you later.